What's up, YouTube? Are you a contractor or a DIYer and you're looking to install some VCT tile? Yes, vinyl composition tile in a business or maybe in the basement of your home. Or you're saying to yourself, man, this stuff is really hard to cut with a utility knife. How do I cut it? Well, of course you answered yes to those questions. That's why you clicked on this video. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you a couple ways to cut this tile, but one way that I'm super excited about. Let's get started.
Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to.
We're not gonna talk about making your measurements. You can save that for a different video, or better yet, I'm gonna leave that up to you. But I'm gonna show you the best way to cut this tile, okay? The quickest way. Now, you can grab a utility knife, anything. You wanna try to make a circular cut in this. I mean, like you're scoring, right? And it just is, it really would take a whole bunch of like passes to make that cut. It just isn't effective. It's just not effective. So the best way would be to heat this tile up, okay? Now, there's a couple ways. I've seen a lot of union flooring installers use a propane torch. I don't suggest that, especially if you're a DIYer, but what you can use is a heat gun. We have this Wagner here, does a good job, very adjustable. If you want to see a review on this Wagner heat gun, leave a comment down below. We could do it. So, you start up your heat gun. We're gonna put it on high. We're gonna set our temperature up. We're gonna wait for it to heat up.
Cut it, cut it, cut it.
Only operate this heat gun according to the supplied instructions when you buy it. Also, this heat gun, this is not a blow dryer. So don't think you're gonna play around with it and put it near your hair or across somebody's arm. This will burn your hair off. So be very careful when using a heat gun. What we wanna do to make the tile more pliable is we wanna kinda evenly heat the area that you're gonna be cutting, okay? And we wanna just heat that area up. It's gonna make the tile much more pliable. Now, would a torch heat it quicker? Yes. Do I think it's the safest thing to do, especially for a DIYer? Probably not. Yes, the heat gun may be a little bit slower, but I believe it's safer. So stick with a heat gun, please.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat that area evenly, and the way you're gonna test it, if it's ready to cut, okay? In between using your heat gun, you can set it down with the nozzle either pointed up if it will stand, or you're gonna need something to hold your heat gun and make sure it's not pointed in any direction towards flammable materials, okay? So be very mindful of which way your heat gun is pointed while you're making your cut. Over here, you need to know what's going on with your heat gun, okay? Safety first, everybody. Is you're gonna grab your knife, and you're gonna see if it cuts more.
Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to.
The knife goes through it effortlessly, just like butter. Boom, you're ready to install your tile. Now, what if you need to make some straight cuts? Well, all you would do is you would mark your tile for a straight cut. You can mark it with a pencil. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the measurements to you, but all you would do is you would mark your tile. Okay, mark it with a pencil, mark it with a, you know, a scribe mark. I don't recommend using stuff like Sharpies because they leave pretty much permanent markings, and that if you mismark your tile, that's it. You're probably gonna have to throw it away. If you use a pencil, you could potentially erase it. That's why they make erasers, because people make mistakes. Okay, we're gonna evenly heat the tile once again. We'll put that aside. We'll see if this is ready. Boom, that's simple. If you like this video and the tip about how to effectively, easily, and simply cut VCT tile, smash that like button. Make sure to crack that bell notification and let freedom ring, just like the Liberty Bell. You know, we're in the Philadelphia region because we're always going live, constantly doing giveaways, and we publish videos daily. If you know somebody that could use this information or would love to join the very cool gang, share this video with them. If you'd be interested in learning how to make multiple cuts even quicker and more effectively, maybe you'd be interested in us doing an overview of how this Roberts 12-inch tile cutter would help you do that. Let us know down in the comments section below. But as always, thanks a lot and have a great day. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys.